Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 2. Topics: First, recalling the GM-DAS rule in performing 3 or more operations. Second, illustrating how the GM-DAS rule is applied to performing mathematical operations involving fractions and decimals. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. 1. Recall the GM-DAS rule in performing 3 or more operations. 2. Illustrate how the GM-DAS rule is applied to performing mathematical operations involving fractions and decimals. Day 1. Let's have a short review. What is the answer to 19 plus 35 divided by 5 times 2 plus 3? The answer is 34. Possible misconceptions are 10 and 32. Lesson purpose. 1. What is the GM-DAS rule for performing 3 or more operations? Answer: GM-DAS means grouping, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, and it tells the order of solving problems. 2. How is the GM-DAS rule applied to performing mathematical operations involving fractions and decimals? Answer: we follow the same order of operations, but we solve fractions and decimals carefully using the correct steps. GM-DAS rule says G. Grouping, or those operations inside parentheses and or brackets, must be performed first. MD means multiplication and division must be done next, whichever of these two comes first from the left. Remember, they have the same order of priority. The one that comes first from the left must be done first. AS means addition and subtraction must be done after MD, whichever of these two comes first from the left. Remember, they have the same order of priority. The one that comes first from the left must be done first. Subtopic number 1. Recall the GM-DAS rule. Consider this post from Facebook. What is the answer? 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 1 plus 2, close parenthesis, equals? The answer is 9, although 1 can be an answer too. The reason is because of the unclear, ambiguous way of presenting the question. It should have been written as 6 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 1 plus 2, close parenthesis, for GM-DAS to clearly work and give a 9. If the desired answer is really a 1, then it should have been presented as 6 divided by the quantity 2 times the quantity 1 plus 2. Note: 2 times open parenthesis 1 plus 2, close parenthesis can also be written as 2 open parenthesis 1 plus 2 close parenthesis in higher math, specifically algebra. because x is a variable in algebra and not a multiplication sign. Lesson activity number 1, guided practice. Instructions: use GMDAS properly to get the answers to the following. A. The answer is 14. B. The answer is 40. C. The answer is 14. D. The answer is 49. E. The answer is 152. F. The answer is 153. G. The answer is 36. Lesson activity number 2, independent practice. Instructions: use GMDAS properly to get the answers to the following. H. The answer is 98. I. The answer is 12. J. The answer is 21. K. The answer is 47. L. The answer is 56. M. The answer is 18. N. The answer is 43. Subtopic number 2, GMDAS rule involving fractions. Day 2. Short review. Which is the correct answer for each meme? 230 minus 220 times open parenthesis 1 divided by 2 close parentheses. The answer is 120. So, the meme is wrong. Next, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 times 0 equals? The answer is 18. Let's answer the worked example. A. What is the answer? 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1 equals? The answer is 1. B. What is the answer? Can you solve it? 50 divided by 5 open parenthesis 6 minus 1 close parenthesis equals? The answer is 50. C. What is the answer? Math challenge. 60 divided by 5 open parenthesis 1 plus 1 open parenthesis 1 plus 1 close parenthesis equals? The answer is 36. D. Which is the correct answer? 6 divided by 2 open parenthesis 2 plus 1 equals? 9. The answer is correct. Lesson activity number 3, guided practice. Instructions: solve the following. Show your complete solution and encircle the final answer. 1. The answer is 95. 2. The answer is 3. 3. The answer is 41. 4. The answer is 67.6. 5. The answer is 61. 6. The answer is 27. 7. The answer is 10.8. 8. The answer is 36. 9. The answer is 40. 10. The answer is 30. Lesson activity number 4, independent practice. Instructions: match column A with column B. Write the letter of your answer on the space provided. Here's column A and column B. And here are the answers. Number 1, F, 7. Number 2, C, 6. Number 3, A, 4. Number 4, B, 5. And number 5, E, 10. Subtopic number 2, GM-DAS rule involving decimals. Day 3. Short review. Solve each expression. Write smiley face if the expression is correct, and write sad face if the expression is incorrect. Write your answer in your math activity notebook. And here are the answers. Worked example. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution. A. Answer 24.67. B. The answer is 317. C. The answer is 9. D. The answer is 132. Lesson activity number 5, guided practice. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution. A. The answer is 58.5. B. The answer is 39.2. C. The answer is 2.9. D. The answer is 12.8. E. The answer is 19.3. Lesson activity number 6, independent practice. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution. F. The answer is 27. G. The answer is 10.5. H. The answer is 15.3. I. The answer is 21.1. J. The answer is -1. Subtopic number 3, GMDAS rule, day 4. Independent practice. A. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution and encircle the letter of the correct answer. If your final answer is not among the options, encircle it instead. 3 points for each item. 1 point for the final answer and 2 points for the complete solution. No solution, no partial points. 1. Answer A. 51. Solution. 2. Answer A. 21. Solution. 3. Answer A. 36. Solution. 4. Answer A. 20. Solution. 5. Answer D. 110. Solution. B. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution and encircle the letter of the correct answer. 3 points for each item. 1 point for the final answer and 2 points for the complete solution. No solution, no partial points. 1. Answer 59/10. Solution. 2. Answer 70/11. Solution. 3. Answer 25. Solution. 4. Answer 58/27. Solution. 5. Answer 19/8. Solution. 6. 9. Solution. 7. Answer 8. Solution. 8. Answer 89. Solution. 9. Answer 2/5. Solution. 10. Answer 9. Learners' takeaways. Supply the missing term. In performing a series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using the PEMDAS or GMDAS rule, you must: first, perform all operations inside the parentheses or bracket symbol, provided that you will multiply or divide first, whichever comes first, from left to right, before adding or subtracting whichever comes first, from left to right. Second, perform all multiplication and division whichever comes first, from left to right. And third, perform all addition and subtraction whichever comes first, from left to right. Reflection on learning. Look back at the memes from Day 2 short review and worked example. Write 3 to 5 reflections or realizations on the use of social media. Here are some example answers. 1. Memes make learning GMDAS fun and easy to understand. Second, social media can help me learn if I use it properly. Third, math memes help me remember the steps better. Fourth, I learned that social media is not only for fun but also for learning. Day 5. 1. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution and encircle the letter of the correct answer. If your final answer is not among the options, encircle it instead. 3 points for each item. 1 point for the final answer and 2 points for the complete solution. No solution, no partial points. A. Answer A. 50. Solution B. Answer B. 36. Solution C. Answer C. 34. Solution D. Answer B. Solution E. Answer A. 20. Solution Part 2. Solve each of the following. Show complete solution and encircle the final answer. 3 points for each item. 1 point for the final answer and 2 points for the complete solution. No solution, no partial points. F. Answer 0.5. G. Answer 24.7. Solutions H. Answer 10.25. I. Answer 54. Solutions J. Answer 49.5. Solution K. Answer 25/3. Solution L. Answer 38/5. Solution M. Answer 25/6. Solution. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!